Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I thank you all for joining us today to mark the International Women's Day. It is an important day that reminds us of the significant role that women play in our society and the need for taking greater steps to enhance gender equality in Pakistan and around the globe. Election Commission of Pakistan takes pride in the efforts it is making for women's inclusion and engagement in the electoral process. I am proud to say that ECP is taking steps for gender mainstreaming within the ECP as an institution. Article 25 of the Constitution of Pakistan advocates for equality of all citizens. The Election Act 2017 encourages women's participation in elections and penalizes those preventing women from exercising their right to vote. To this end, implementation of sections 9, 47, 48, and 206 of the Election Act 2017 are the key priorities of the ECP. Third Strategic Plan 2019-2023 of the ECP reiterates our commitments for gender mainstreaming and inclusion of all segments of the society in the overall electoral process. Pakistan is also striving to achieve the 2030 Development Agenda, and I hope that Pakistan's efforts to achieve the Global Sustainable Development Goals will be successful. ECP takes pride in contributing to Pakistan's overall efforts to achieving these goals. I must highlight that achieving SDG number 5 on gender equality is only possible if women are part of the mainstream electoral processes. I reaffirm ECP's commitment to continue efforts for gender equality. Ladies and gentlemen, today's event is arranged to highlight ECP's efforts for enhancing women's participation in the electoral process. Reducing gender gap in the electoral rolls is one such example. I am grateful to our female guests who have joined us from far-flung areas and have shared their stories of getting themselves registered as voters. These inspiring stories give me immense confidence in our efforts that we are making in this direction. Ladies and gentlemen, I also draw pride in the fact that Election Commission of Pakistan stands amongst those very few countries in the region that have adopted special institutional measures, such as having a few countries in the region that have adopted special institutional measures, such as having a dedicated gender wing with the mandate to mainstream gender process across all electoral processes. ECP is committed to address the challenges women face during their political participation and representation. However, we are also looking forward to joining hands with other stakeholders, including political parties, civil society, media, and academia. At the end, I would reaffirm our efforts in enhancing women's electoral participation. On this special occasion, I would like to call upon all citizens, particularly those women who are eligible but still not registered to get themselves registered as voters and participate in all upcoming elections. I would thank all the guests, international partners, media, and civil society organizations for their support to ECP. Although today we were late by 45 minutes to start this function, but I assure you that we will not be slow to ensure the mainstreaming of the women. Actions speak louder than the words, and you will see some changes in the offices of Election Commission of Pakistan very soon. Thank you.
With this, our event comes to an end. We would like